I'm going to tell you how much profit margin is acceptable to build a six-figure e-commerce business and how you can easily keep the record of all that in the terms of bookkeeping. I've seen a lot of new sellers and even a very established old seller. They don't know how much profit margin and how much profit they are exactly making from one particular product. This is the way you actually really mess up your e-commerce growth. You need to have a proper record for each and everything in the terms of bookkeeping so you will know how much exactly you are making as well. I'm going to show you the manual way and I'm going to show you my favorite way as well, where you can automate all the process as well. So first of all, let's talk about how much profit margin is actually acceptable. I will give you the product examples. So my first product is 2-meter iPhone charging cable. To be honest with you, to be very frank with you, I'm not making more than £1 profit when I sell this item on Amazon. But the sales velocity for this item is really good. I easily get about somewhere between 60 to 80 orders every single day. Even though my profit margin after all the expenses is less, the sales velocity will actually make up for this one. We have to keep in mind that the Amazon is the one who is fulfilling my orders. They are storing it. And after calculating all the expenses, I'm making around £1. So in this case, I am completely okay selling these products. And obviously this is the profit from one particular product. My other product is normally I do buy the used phone from online auctions. So what's happened is, let's say there are 20 iPhone 7 and they have a different condition, grade A, grade B, grade C. Recently I took a lot and after doing all the calculation, I was easily making around £20 after selling each and every iPhone 7. So even though after selling one item, I'm making around £20 and the sales velocity for this one is very low. Because the profit margin is high, at the end of the day, it will make up for this one. So let's really bust this map. A lot of people will tell you if you need to build a six-figure e-commerce business, you need to work on 50%, 60% profit margin. It's completely a myth. At the end of the day, you will have to have a mixture of product. Once you will really decide, okay, I just have to work on 50% or 60% profit margin, there are many items that you are eliminating the chances of selling those items as well. So don't do that. Let me tell you the best way, because at the end of the day, if you're not keeping the record of each and everything that you are selling, you don't know actually how much you are making as well. The manual way will be like an old-fashioned way, which you can just design an Excel sheet. You put your buying price, selling price, your eBay and Amazon fees, your shipping fees, all those sort of stuff. And trust me, I used to do this before and it can take a lot of time. But at the moment, I want to show you the demo for my favorite app that I use at the moment. It's called Osome. Their plans and their services are actually tailored to you as well. So depending on how much your revenue is, depending on at what stage you are, they will have something for you, and you can literally start with free phone consultation as well. So I'm going to show you how their app work, and I will leave the link for that inside the description. Make sure you check that out as well. So if I just quickly log into that, you can just simply see, okay, on the first page, you have the option to ask anything from your accountant. If you click on that, or any team member from Osome as well, you can ask them any question at any time as well. You can link any file that you want to send it to them as well. So if you just go back, and then you can see all the history for the old conversation that you previously had with them. This is a very awesome way to actually keep everything at one place, and you can see what you're talking about and stuff like that. So this is on the home tab. Next, when you go to the dashboard, on the dashboard you have all the reports that you need to know, like how much the bills that you have to pay, the invoices that on to you as well, your bank account balance, everything is live here. So all the calculations and everything is going to be on this page. By this way, you can actually see the overall figures, how much profit, and in the terms of how much you have to pay as well. If you go to accounting section again, all the documents and all the invoices are going to be there as well. The good thing from here as well, if they need something from you, you can just they will send you the notification inside the application that they need this specific document, and you can just simply upload that one as well. In the company tab, if we click on the company tab, you can just see underneath that you will have your date, that when your accounting period is ending and how many days are left and stuff like this as well. But the good thing right here I want to show you, this is you don't have to upload everything inside the app. This is the email which will be allocated to you. If you want to send any documents to them, you can just simply email it to them. In the file section, this is like amazing. All the invoices, everything is going to be right here. You can search the file that you are looking for. You can upload the file if you want to upload a new file. You can make a different categories of that as well. You can search by date as well. You can filter by name as well. In the setting is just if you want to change your phone number, or you see how the team which have access to your account as well. If you want to disconnect from Zero API key and log out option and stuff like this. It's very simple to use. It is something which will makes your life very, very easy. It's going to save you a lot of times in the terms of bookkeeping, in the terms of tax return. Everything is going to be one place. And the thing is, you can just simply see what plan and what services are suitable for you depending on what stage you are as well. I will leave the link for them inside the description. Make sure you check them out. You can start with a free phone consultation as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next video.